So this is quite interesting, people. Saturday, 1st September of October. Is it? Yeah, October. Sorry about that. Quickly, without going into too much details about that slight mismonth, it's October, yeah, 1st. Halloween, the month of Halloween, eh? But have you noticed Americans out there, yeah? Talking to Americans and Canadians and everyone across the world, really. As well as British people. But fucking... The newspaper front page. I was going to buy a few newspapers just to show you, but I'm sure you can see online the front page of various tabloids and newspapers about someone which kind of does link things up, even though that it doesn't, but it does, by a particular second name. Talk about ancestral karma. What's he pointing at? This. That's where the bottle hit. Anyway, did you get it? Yes. Or are you too privileged not to? Because even the thickest people in the world can get this. So don't pretend that you can't. So this leads me on to revealing the ignorant ones, right? And I realise now that people were purposefully not getting in contact because they knew how serious this was. And please don't ask me what serious, because you will show yourself up big time. It's not like I didn't warn you. Yeah, so check the tabloids out, please, people. 1st of October, 2022. And I'm here on the A6 with my door wide open, as always. Right. Right. It's pretty... It's not sad, but because a cycle has been completed, fully completed in its entirety, and has fully been done, this doesn't mean now that you can't get in touch with me. Because if you don't get in touch with me, then repercussions will happen. And I'm talking to people who knew exactly what I was doing, right? Not being over the top here, but it kind of has to be put across like this. I'm not annoyed, I'm not pissed off, I'm not going to hurt anyone. But people do not realise the amount of pain, physical and mental pain, one has to go through in order to get this across. They do not understand. That's what's worrying. People who did get in contact with me are obviously on a slippery slope. People like JX Army and Jeff Doherty. Why not name names? Because they responded to me, at least. And isn't it funny how the people who respond are the ones who are keeping up the pain, the fucking facade, the fakeness of this. As I said, this is real deal, and a cycle has been done and completed. And check the tabloids out if you want to check out serial killers and ancestral karma, right? Please do this, people. Americans, Canadians, fucking anyone. Because it's not like I can't do this anymore, but it's been done. So that means the people who didn't contact me when I reached out to them to help, but at least some reassurance I was on the right path. But no, they didn't contact me back. Whether they got the emails or not, they can pretend that they actually saw these emails or saw these comments or saw whatever from me. They can pretend that they didn't easily. So everyone has a choice. Yeah? Apart from one or two who've really committed themselves to this. Like I said, even Brady has a choice. Even after what he did. But that's nothing, what he did. I know it was harsh. Some people can laugh, whatever. I don't care. But what was done to me initially, before that experience, yeah, was not good. Let this be known. Saturday, 1st of October, people out there, talking to all you people who do understand. If you don't, contact me in the next, let's give it, I was going to say 2 days then, but shall I give you a bit more? A week. 7 days from now. By this time next Saturday. If you don't, contact me. The people who are supposedly righteous, higher vibrational style people who talk for the dollar. Them ones. Not that I don't like you. I love you. V-K-T. And I know I'm intense, but if you actually looked what I've done, you would understand. Now, the people who I originally caught out, they understand. Totally. They actually have some compassion, at least. I'm not tripping, I'm not high. I'm not even had a smoke. Nothing. I'm baseline. Normal. As in, like, I'm not tripping or I'm not high, I'm not fucked up. I'm not on drugs. I'm not anything that you think or like to tell the next person to you. Because this is a get out, well, this is like a fucking obvious one of them pass the fucking blame things. Anyway, back soon with a nice, refreshing video of me being happy. But I'm happy anyway. Except when I'm happy, people just take it. He's happy, yeah. But it wasn't about that. It's about getting a message across to people who didn't really know, who weren't capable of understanding, but some of them were. And like I said, the people who I've contacted over this period of time, I know why they didn't get back to me. I know why some did. Yeah? So, that is for people to mull up themselves. And I'm not trying to lord it over you or anything. It's just an update.